What's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? Hey, what's going on, party people? Welcome to the party. I'm your hostess with the mostest, Tonyanicole. Welcome, boo. Today we're going to be knocking out Eyescream Beauty Box. This is my third box of my 3-month subscription. So we're going to determine from this box if we're going to go forward with more or nah. So if you're interested in seeing that, you know what to do. Sit your ass right there. Oh, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, I would have greatly appreciate it, honestly. Welcome, my loves. As I said before, I'm Tonyanicole, and we here to do business. On today's docket, we have Eyescream Beauty Box. But before I do that, I want to shout out my 5 first commenters from my last video. Thank you guys so much for rocking with your girl. I greatly appreciate you all. Let's get some specs on this box and unbox her. Eyescream Beauty Box is a monthly beauty subscription. This one is $24 a month with free shipping. You're going to get 5 to 7 items in each box, ranging from makeup, skincare, and tools. There's a palette in every box, and you can cancel at any time. They also have an Eyescream Beauty bag that's $12.50 a month, and you're going to receive 3 to 5 items. I just cut it open, so let's get this box on and popping, boo. Hey. Now, my last unboxing of this box was amazing. Please check it out. I'll link it somewhere up top, but it was a really good box last month. So this is what the inside is looking like. All right, there. Let's sit her on down. We get a little card, and it says October Beauty Tricks and Treats. Okay. It tells us all the products and the prices. Y'all know I'm going to add them all up at the end. So let's get started, baby. Our first product up comes from Crayon Beauty. This is a Studio Glam Shadow Stick right here. First product, this is $9. It's a shadow liner stick. So let's open it. Oh, well, I can see the color. The color is like a white-ish color, guys. I just received something similar to this in BoxyCharm, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this one in a giveaway, which we will be having next month. So be on the lookout for that. It is $9 for this, guys. And I do love these little Glam shadow sticks because they go on so smooth. They're perfect to fill in like the corners of your eyes, even your waterline. I do love them, and they're always usually creamy. Next product comes from Marabella, and this is the eye crayon right here. Let me go a little closer so you guys can see. There we go. All right, we have the shade Semi Sweet. So I'm thinking it's like brown. Y'all think what? Oh, okay. When you open it up, this is how it comes packaged. Pull it up, and there's the brown pencil right there. I do have a few of these, so I will be putting this one in a giveaway as well. But these are another product that are like really creamy, go on so smooth and nice. And this retails for $20. Marabella is very expensive, huh? Girl. Our next product comes from Doe Color. It's Dream in Color. This right here, I'm gonna assume that this is brushes. I love Doe Color. Their brushes are really nice, and I think their lipsticks are nice too. Oh, okay, yeah, I've seen these before. We have a 4-piece brush set. I'm not gonna open them, I'm gonna put these in a giveaway, but you see, it's some eyeshadow brushes and like a liner brush, I guess. So a nice 4-piece set, black handle with the rose gold tip, and these retail for $16, loves. Okay, 2 more products, loves. Ooh, we're pulling out a palette. And this one is from Bella Pierre. It's a 12-color Pro Matte. Oh, it's a lip palette. Okay, all right. That's what it's looking like. This is the shades on the back. And I think I'm going to keep this for Halloween, baby. Oh, yes. I think I will. Oh, we come with a mirror. Hey, girl. All right, we bend it back. Ooh, and these are the shades. Look at these purples and pinks, this white. That is gorgeous. The blue, yellow, and these are lip colors, and it comes with like a little brush on the side. Okay, I like this. They look very creamy, like a glossy type lip gloss, but it says a matte lip palette. Okay, I do like this, y'all. This right here, my loves, is, oh wow, $50. $50 for 12 lip things. Ooh, Bella Pierre is overpriced, but $50, I'm not sure about that, but I do love the concept. I do. Especially if you're a makeup artist, these are perfect for you. perfect. And then last but certainly not least, we have another palette. This time it's from, ooh, Ace Beauty. This is the Paradise Fallen palette. Ooh, I love it. I love it. I love it. Now, last month we got a palette in Ace Beauty, and I absolutely love that palette. I've used it at least 4 or 5 times since I received it, and I absolutely love it. And this one is a beautiful palette. Fingers crossed that it's a purple palette. Please, please, please. I'm so dramatic. All right, we get a mirror. It comes with a little plastic. Hey, boo. Okay. Okay. There's the palette, guys. Look at this. So all of this row is purples with a black on the end. Then you have like some transition colors, like the white, these browns, this beautiful burgundy shade here, even a gray-like color. This palette is gorgeous. That is, oh my God. It screams Purple Rain vibes to me, and I could definitely use this when I'm doing my Halloween costume. Let me swatch a couple. Yeah, let's swatch a couple. Let's see. Let me swatch these purples and see if they look a little different. That's them right there. And those are the shades swatched out. Wow, they are very pretty, aren't they? Oh my goodness. Let's see how much this is. A little bit of kickback though. This palette right here is 35 bucks. All right, my loves, that was our final product in this month's Eyescream Beauty Box. Let's do a quick recap, final thoughts, and we're gonna be done. So we received this beautiful palette from Ace Beauty. From Bella Pierre, this beautiful lip palette. From Marabella Eye, this brown liner. From Crown Beauty, this shadow stick. And from Doe Color, these brushes. So these 5 products here, my loves. And the total for this month's box was $130. Now let's kick off them final thoughts, baby. Hey. So final thoughts for this month's box is, okay, so Eyescream is becoming one of my favorite little boxes. It is very makeup heavy. It is affordable. I think $24 is a steal for this box. You always get a lot of makeup. Everything in here I would use, every single product. Now, Bella Pierre I know is overpriced. $50 for a lip product. Ugh, it's a bit much, but I really think that it is worth it to get this box. Will I keep it for another 3 months? Damn right I will, babe. What you mean? Absolutely. So yes, I think I'm gonna subscribe for 3 more months. I have really been enjoying this box, especially since I canceled Boxy Base box, Ipsy Glam bag, Lashy box. I think I'm gonna cancel the box as well. So yeah, I think we can pick up Eyescream for the remainder of the time. So I'm gonna give this box a solid 4.5 out of 5 for this month. I enjoyed it, loves. Y'all should really check this box out. It is quite the good little makeup box. Yes. So that's all I have, my loves. Make sure if you haven't done so, you're subscribed to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up. Follow me on all of my social media, which is posted down below. And that's it, y'all. Y'all have a great day. Enjoy your life. Enjoy your day. Enjoy everything. I don't know. Hug somebody and tell them you love them. Well, no hugs. I'm sorry. Social distance hug. Bye, y'all.